87%. That's the jarring reality of modern machine learning right now. Despite millions in investment and countless hours of development, 87% of data science projects fail to actually reach production. I'm Alex, a master black belt at Six Sigma Development Solutions. Over the next 8 minutes, we're going to dissect exactly why this failure pattern persists, where the hidden operational leaks are, and most importantly, how to solve it. When we confront a failure rate of 87%, the immediate instinct is usually to blame the technology. We assume the algorithms just aren't sophisticated enough, or maybe the computing power isn't sufficient. But the operational data reveals a completely different story. This massive failure rate is rarely a lack of algorithmic sophistication. Rather, it's a profound deficit in operational excellence and engineering discipline. Treating machine learning as an isolated science experiment in a sterile data lab, rather than an integrated operational system on the factory floor, is exactly what drives this failure. We build these pristine models in sandboxes, but when they finally meet the chaotic, continuous data streams of real-world production, they just break down. Here is our roadmap for this explainer. First, we'll look at the AI pipeline problem. Second, identifying digital wastes. Third, the AI-augmented DMAIC framework. Fourth, real-world applications. Fifth, common implementation pitfalls. And finally, we'll wrap up with key takeaways. Let's start with Section 1, identifying 8 digital wastes in ML pipelines. A central tenet of lean thinking is the identification and relentless elimination of MUDA, a term representing non-value-added activities. To optimize our machine learning pipelines, we must recontextualize traditional physical waste for modern digital infrastructure. In physical manufacturing, waste is highly visible, right? You can walk a warehouse floor and see piles of excess inventory, or physically hold a defective part in your hand. Digital waste, however, is hidden. It lives in unoptimized code, redundant data processing, and misaligned project goals. Consider a cluster of high-performance servers running overnight, training complex deep learning models on data that hasn't even been properly cleansed. You can't physically see the waste, but it is quietly draining thousands of dollars in compute costs and delaying deployment. This invisible digital waste is precisely what stalls our AI initiatives. We can actually map the traditional 8 wastes directly to the machine learning lifecycle. Overproduction occurs when we train models with excessive parameters that don't actually contribute to predictive accuracy. It's engineering for complexity rather than operational utility. Waiting involves delays for GPU resources or bottlenecks caused by manual data labeling, which leaves expensive talent just sitting idle. Transport is the unnecessary movement of massive datasets across unoptimized networks, spiking latency and infrastructure costs. Overprocessing means using overly complex deep neural networks for straightforward tasks that are perfectly suitable for simple interpretable linear models. Digital inventory is the accumulation of dark data, massive data lakes stored at a significant financial cost but never actually utilized for business intelligence. Motion involves the manual environment configuration and endless context switching data teams do when they lack automated pipelines. Algorithmic defects encompass model drift, where a model's accuracy degrades as real-world data changes over time. Finally, and perhaps most critically, there is underutilized talent. Studies show that highly paid data scientists often squander up to 80% of their time on manual infrastructure, environment setup, and basic data cleaning tasks. Picture a brilliant data scientist forced to spend 40 hours a week manually reformatting spreadsheets. That is a catastrophic waste of human potential, rather than focused algorithmic innovation. Moving on to Section 2, the AI-augmented DMAIC framework. To systematically eliminate these digital wastes, we apply the adaptive DMAIC framework. DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, has long been the gold standard for structured problem solving. But when we integrate it with modern digital tools, it becomes supercharged with predictive capabilities. We're moving away from traditional, static, manual checkpoints. Instead, the workflow evolves into a dynamic, real-time automated variance detection system. It's a fundamental shift from reactive problem solving, like fixing a model after it fails in production, to proactive, continuous optimization, where the system corrects itself before a critical failure ever occurs. In my black belt projects, I consistently observe how AI fundamentally transforms each specific DMAIC step. In the define phase, natural language processing algorithms automatically categorize historical issue logs, instantly scoping the problem. In measure, automated sensors and IoT edge devices capture process variables in real time, completely eliminating manual data entry errors. In the analyze phase, predictive regression and clustering algorithms reveal hidden operational patterns. Instead of manually parsing spreadsheets, the AI might identify that a specific temperature fluctuation on the factory floor perfectly correlates with an equipment failure. During the improve phase, digital twin simulation models allow us to test continuous optimization strategies in a virtual environment without risking physical production. Finally, in control, closed-loop automated feedback systems maintain process stability without the need for constant manual intervention. These DMAIC phases are deeply interconnected through intelligent technical architecture. Data integration seamlessly feeds advanced analytics, which in turn powers real-time monitoring protocols. This creates a self-improving loop that minimizes human intervention while maintaining proper operational oversight. As the environment changes, the system continuously updates its predictive models based on new incoming process data. This means the framework doesn't degrade over time. It actually becomes more accurate and more robust the longer it runs in production. Let's look at Section 3. Real-world applications and ROI. Theory and frameworks are essential, but the true test of any operational methodology is its measurable business impact. Organizations that integrate AI onto a mature Lean Six Sigma foundation see their AI project success rate jump from the 27% industry average to 87%. The return on investment is drastically magnified, moving from a standard 3 to 5 times multiplier to an 8 to 12 times multiplier. Furthermore, implementation cycle times are reduced from an average of 18 months down to just 6 months. By eliminating digital waste and enforcing strict operational control, this structured approach delivers a measurable 3.65 times multiplier in overall project ROI compared to organizations lacking this maturity. We see these results clearly in specific, large-scale industry applications. For example, Amazon deployed AI agents within a lean framework for inventory and demand forecasting. By systematically eliminating process variance, they reached a 94% accuracy rate, resulting in over $5 million in annual savings from optimized logistics and reduced warehouse overstock. Toyota took a similar approach by incorporating predictive agents trained on decades of highly structured production data. These agents don't just monitor current status, they now predict assembly line stoppages a full 30 minutes in advance with an 89% accuracy rate. In an automotive plant where a single minute of downtime can cost tens of thousands of dollars, a 30-minute advance warning completely transforms preventative maintenance protocols and protects the bottom line. Over in the healthcare sector, GE Healthcare applied these lean machine learning principles to diagnostic precision. By integrating AI into their existing Six Sigma processes, they reduced medical image interpretation time by a substantial 40%. The core reason for this success was their process improvement teams ensuring the absolute statistical validity of the training data. They didn't just feed raw data into an algorithm, they standardized image resolutions, eliminated variations in equipment calibration, and removed historical outliers before the models were ever deployed. Clean, statistically sound inputs guaranteed highly efficient and accurate diagnostic outputs. Section 4. Avoiding common implementation pitfalls. Establishing an intelligent, automated pipeline is certainly not without operational risk. As a perspective from Google Engineering highlights, the accumulation of technical debt is the primary long-term threat to AI sustainability. Treating machine learning models as isolated coding tasks rather than integrated living operational systems guarantees the accumulation of this technical debt. When data dependencies are excessively complex and pipelines lack automated testing, production environments degrade rapidly. A model that was 95% accurate on day 1 might easily drop to 70% accuracy by month 3 because the underlying real-world conditions shifted, draining server resources and generating highly inaccurate operational outputs. What I tell my Greenbelt candidates is that deploying an AI model into production isn't the finish line, it's the starting line. You must actively monitor for data and concept draft to catch when a model's foundational assumptions are no longer valid. You need automated root cause analysis to diagnose failures instantly. Furthermore, you must utilize safe deployment strategies. This includes canary testing, where you roll out the new model to just a small 1% subset of users to monitor performance, or shadow testing, where the new model runs in parallel with the old system without actually affecting real business outputs. And crucially, navigating these complex deployment strategies requires certified black belt human oversight to maintain strict operational integrity. Let's move to Section 5, Key Takeaways. First, always treat machine learning models as integrated operational systems, not standalone IT projects. Second, relentlessly identify and eliminate the 8 digital wastes to free up your data scientists' valuable time and reduce compute costs. Third, supercharge the structured DMAIC methodology with AI-driven predictive analytics for proactive process optimization.
And fourth, recognize that AI is strictly an augmentation tool. It does not replace the critical thinking, statistical discipline, and operational oversight provided by trained process improvement professionals. The algorithm is the engine, but the Lean Six Sigma practitioner is the driver.
Finally, Section 6, Next Steps and Certification. Implementing these integrated methodologies safely and effectively requires rigorous foundational knowledge. This level of operational excellence isn't achieved through ad hoc learning. It requires targeted training accredited by global bodies such as the ISSC. If you want to apply these tools at the level the world's best organizations do, formal certification is the path. At Six Sigma Development Solutions, we've trained over 4,000 practitioners across 52 countries to do exactly that. The tools and methodologies to achieve operational excellence in the age of intelligence are available to you right now. The choice of how to apply them is yours. Will your AI initiatives become reliable engines of business value, or will they be trapped in the 87% of projects that never reach production?